It's here. What's up, internet? I'm Brian McDuff, aka BMac, and welcome to another video. And I know, every time we do an unboxing video, I always say, today's a special day, but no, seriously, today is one of the most special of special days because we have in front of me the Apple Vision Pro. A first generation product here with the release of the Apple Vision Pro, Apple's attempt at a VR headset, and the travel case. Let's start with the unboxing of the Vision Pro itself. My heart rate is through the roof. I think my Apple Watch is actually chiming right now, being like, yo, what's up? Your heart rate is spiking. Is that normal? You good? What's going on? We'll take the travel case, put that off to the side, focus on the star of the show, the Vision Pro, and the unboxing of it right now. Quick look at the box, you can see the front of the Vision Pro right there. That is indeed what the headset is going to look like when I'm wearing it. We have Vision Pro on the left side of the box, Vision Pro on the right side of the box, nothing on bottom, nothing on top, and the model information, what comes in the box, which we're about to find out, and of course all the UPC and serial number information right there on the back. But I know you don't care about that, you care what's in this thing. So do I care about that most, so let's see that. As you can see, Apple has made it easy for us with these little, what do you call this? A tab removal system. So we have one on the left side and we have one on the right side as well. 1, 2, and now it's time. The reveal of the Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro, honestly, I don't even want to touch it. That is how much I'm probably gonna end up babying this thing. But there it is, the Vision Pro here in the BMac studio. Oh my goodness. We shall carefully remove it, put it off to the side. Ooh. Okay, let's see what else comes in the box before we get to the fun stuff. Also in this box, if we remove this, is there anything in here? No, this is just kind of like a heavy duty separator right there. Vision Pro, designed by Apple in California. And so it begins. We shall take a look at this top part first. Oh my gosh, we have a lot going on here. Okay, in this packet of information, which has got a little weight to it, we shall carefully remove. All right, we have a little heavy duty informational booklet here for the Vision Pro. And basically, I'm not gonna go through every single page, but this is a nice little quick start guide with some awesome illustrations or photographs that are gonna tell you how to actually start using this. Underneath that, we do have this little packet of information. And what is this packet of information? It's going to be, first and foremost, a polishing cloth, a genuine Apple polishing cloth. Oh my goodness. This alone, I think, is probably gonna be worth like 50 bucks. So there you go, Vision Pro polishing cloth. You also will see you have some safety and handling information on this little piece of paper for information. And that's all that comes in this particular packet. Based on the labels here, we have a dual loop band on top and then a light seal cushion on the bottom. Let's start out with the dual loop band. We shall remove this. Even more accessories right there. But with the dual loop band, we shall open this up. Boom, there we go. So the Apple Vision Pro does come with a dual loop band, which is a great option if you want a different fit. That is exactly what Apple is saying right here. The dual loop band, which we may end up using, may not end up using, kind of all depends on the fit for us with the Vision Pro, so keep this on hand. Below that, we shall go to this now. This is going to be the light seal cushion, and that's all that's remaining in the bottom part of the box here. Wait, how do we do this? Little tab here, little tab here. This is going to be the light seal cushion. Also, you will see we do have our, what is this, a battery pack? The battery pack for the Apple Vision Pro. And I know it's a battery pack, but leave it to Apple to make a pretty darn good looking battery pack. Very Apple-esque. And then this is gonna come with the cable all kind of bunched together here. So let's just kind of untab this. So the battery with the wire. Also, you will see we do have what appears to be a USB-C to USB-C included cable. And this is going to be, I'd say, a 3-foot USB-C to USB-C cable. And then last but certainly not least, we do have included here a power adapter. A 30-watt USB-C power adapter. So there you go. And that is all that comes in the box, my friends, right? Yeah, that's it. That's it. Let's put these components off to the side. Let's take a closer look at the Vision Pro headset itself. Interesting, it's got a little weight to it. if I'm being honest, perhaps not quite as heavy as I was expecting it to be. Definitely somewhat heavy, but not like super heavy. We'll have to see how it feels when it's actually on my head. And you will see we do have this little protective cover, and there she is. Wow. That's a lot of cameras. But hold on, let's remove this inner cardboard protector / holder. All right, that's all she wrote. The Apple Vision Pro. And how am I gonna do this with a hat on? I didn't think this went through. I probably should have done my hair today. I got crazy hat hair. Wow, trying on the Vision Pro for the first time. Very comfortable. Oh, yes. Boom. And then you could put it on your head and tighten it so you could rest it there. Okay. As long as this battery comes with a little bit of pre-charged juice, we should be all right. Put this baby on. Now, push the power button. Oh, here we are. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I have a giant hello sign over here. Hey, hi, how you doing? Bring iPhone or iPad nearby to get started. All right. Oh my goodness. Oop. I set up complete.
Capture complete.
But that is the Apple Vision Pro. Open this up. I'm gonna take this, place that on this part. Actually, I think it's supposed to go this way. Yes, I'm assuming that's the way it's supposed to go. And then you just flip it over. Okay, that makes sense. But that is the unboxing of the Apple Vision Pro and travel case. Potentially a very revolutionary moment, which is kind of crazy to think about. So of course, if you're not already doing so, smash that subscribe button so you see all the content for the Vision Pro on this channel as soon as it's released. And as always, for the latest deals, prices, promos, and information for the Apple Vision Pro, you can of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/Vision Pro, or of course there's always gonna be a clickable link in the video description box and in the comment section below as well, so check those out. And with that having been said, I need to immediately go unpack this and start using it right away. I don't even know where to start. There's so much to do. I will see you guys in my next video.